Hey guys, the Lavish Trader here, and today I'm doing another training video series of my beginner Forex trading video series. And today we're talking about learning Forex market structure trading for beginners. Now, knowing market structure gives you indication on what kind of trend that you're in, okay? So basically, are you in an uptrend or are you in a downtrend? Are you in a buyer's market or are you in a seller's market? Because it's so important because you don't want to go into a buyer's market and sell in a buyer's market. And also you don't want to go into a seller's market and buy in a seller's market. That's why it's so important to know what kind of trend you're in, because you don't want to trade against the market. You want to trade with the market. So if you're in a buyer's market, you want to buy in a buyer's market. When you're in a seller's market, you would want to sell in a seller's market. Okay. So before you even think about even trading a pair, you have to know market structure. Market structure is so important. All right. Because you want to make sure that you're buying and selling where you need to be buying and selling. All right. So right now, I'm going to go over how to tell if you're in an uptrend, which is a buyer's market. And in a buyer's market, also known as an uptrend, it creates higher highs and also it creates higher lows. So what a higher high is this high is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high. Higher lows is this high is lower than this high, and this high is lower than this high. Okay, so that's how you could tell that you're in an uptrend. Downtrend, this low is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low. Okay, that's lower highs. On a downtrend, it creates lower highs and lower lows. On lower lows is this low is lower than this low. This low is lower than this low right here. Okay, so that's how you could basically tell if you're in an overall downtrend. Okay, and a downtrend, as I said before, creates lower highs, also creates lower lows. Okay, low, this low is lower than this low, this low is lower than this low, and it keeps going. All right. Oh yeah, also I want to talk about breakup structure. And what a breakup structure is a breakup structure gives you indication and a transition and market structure. So as you can see here, these are all higher highs, right? And right here, you still have your higher lows. Now, as you can see here, the higher low, the support for the higher low has been broken. So now it's forming lower lows. You see, it starts forming lower lows, meaning that it's transitioning into a downtrend. Okay, so it creates lower lows, thus also creating lower highs. All right, so that's basically how you can tell that it transitions from an uptrend to a downtrend. I'm sorry, my drawing isn't perfect, but this is like the best example using a line chart that I can give you guys. Okay. And also, I'm going to go over a little bit about support and resistance as well. Um, and I'm going to actually go over more of support and resistance in another video. But right now, um, I want to limit support and resistance because that's actually going to be for another video. But I'm going to explain a little bit about support and resistance. And basically, support and resistance is how you measure the Forex market. So you can consider support as the floor, and you can consider resistance as the ceiling. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys from a chart. All right, and this is one of the main currency pairs that I study, which is USD JPY. And also I marked off the key levels of support and resistance. So important that you mark those off, and that you know, because it does have a role to play in market structure. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the line chart real quick. Okay, so these are all levels. So this is support right here, support, resistance right here, support, levels of indecisions, resistance, overlap, you know, because it's overlapping. So resistance, resistance, and support. And right here, really, I didn't want to mark this off, but this is really like a random line, you know. So I want to keep on the lookout for this line, for this line of indecision, to see how the market reacts to it. Okay. I also mark off random lines. Anyway, as you can see here, this is all a downtrend. This is all a downtrend because it's creating lower highs and also it's creating lower lows. So as you can see here, lower low, lower low, lower low. These are all lower lows. So when we get to right around down here, this is still lower lows, meaning that we're still in a seller's market. But as a level of support and resistance, well, the level of support was broken here, and it started to and the trend changed. So now where is it going? It's going up. So now you're in the buyer's market, and now you're in the overall uptrend. Let me show you. So I'm going to go back to my candlestick chart, and you see where support was broken. So support was broken right around this area right here, creating highs. So right here, this is all a buyer's market. So you can see where is majority red candles, meaning that it's bearish candles. Bearish. Now you see majority bearish candles, which indicates that you're in a seller's market. And then support was broken. Now it's creating highs, which thus means that it's in an overall buyer's market. Alright, so I'm gonna actually go over support and resistance in another video. Alright, and by the way, the break of structure, let me put it right here. I like to mark off where structure was broken, alright, because you have to know exactly where structure was broken, so you don't go back from time frame to time frame like, oh my god, where was structure broken. But I always mark off everything on my charts. I preach having a clean chart, but also I mark off everything on my charts. All right, so remember, always mark off break of structure, always mark that off. Okay. All right, so that's basically it on market structure. This is my first video of market structure, so I'm hoping that I have helps you guys. If you found any value in this video, I'm going to continue to create more videos exactly like this. But don't worry, like my videos are going to get better. Like I'm not used to like teaching, so so it gets me a little nervous teaching and sharing, but don't worry guys, my videos are going to get a whole lot better. I'm a little nervous at this, I don't do this a whole lot. But normally when I'm with my friends, I break this down so well. But anyways, I hope that you guys found value in my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to keep on getting more great videos on this, on learning how to trade Forex. And yeah, if you found value in my video, subscribe. Okay, hit that subscribe button. It's probably like in the corner over here somewhere, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will be dropping content every week. I will be dropping at least one video every week or every other week. Also I will be doing vlogs. Also I'll be sharing my trading results, etc., because I have a dream of being a professional trader one day, and that's what I'm going to set out to do. So I want everybody to be there with me for when I make it in, and it's going to be very exciting. And hopefully I can change some lives, and hopefully I can change my own life. All right, so thank you everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next video.